Hi there, it's Bruce Mountain here from NZToday-RV Lifestyle. I'm standing here with Gil at Hitch Hotel. Gil's going to give us a quick run through it and tell us all about what the Hitch Hotel is all about.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. So basically what the Hitch Hotel is an alternative option to the caravan and RV lifestyle for people that don't necessarily have all the space for the larger format RVs and caravans that are available on the market. The Hitch Hotel entirety weighs only 450 kilos, which means it can be towed by any vehicle that you have. It also has a very, very large roomy space so that when it's fully extended, it's actually over 2 meters long. And when you want, the entire unit will actually nest inside each shell to where the entire unit will only be just over 1 meter wide, and the storage box that contains accessories such as solar power, AC, heat, battery can be actually taken off, and the tow bar folds up. What we have over here is actually the entire frame assembly minus the shells, so you can see that this entire unit is all the space that's going to take part in your garage, and that's it.
Oh, that's pretty good, isn't it? That's quite a good idea. So that's your total space of what's going to be in your garage.
Total space. I mean, basically what you're doing is you're talking about the shelves covering over here, and that's all it is. It's basically as wide as a refrigerator.
Wow.
So we're actually here in New Zealand for the very first time. We're going to start delivering these items in December, and Vanari Caravans is going to be our distributor here in New Zealand. So we'd love for you guys to come out and take a look at it.
And so what kind of price have you got in these Hitch Hotels?
So basically the normal standard price is sitting around about $15,450. We give this as a kind of a plug and play blank canvas for anyone to sort of customize it the way they want. We do offer a few accessories such as a larger battery, maybe a solar panel, and so on, but they'll never really become more expensive than maybe $21,000 or $22,000.
What a terrific idea. Nice and compact. It's good that the hitch goes up. Look at the way that goes. So it leaves you plenty of room in the garage or wherever you're going to store it. So thank you very much for your time and good luck with the show.
Thanks so much.